Okay, I just got my hood from Janak for the Daytona sitting there, tribute that I'm doing. And the last hood we got was damaged. They poked a forklift through and damaged it, so thought I'd film this one. And this one has a crack all the way down the side and a couple scuff marks on it. So I signed the paper that it was cracked, and hopefully there's no damage on the inside. It probably was slammed down on this corner and it cracked that wood. It's not as bad cracked with it laying on its side, but Grant's got all these screws in, so I'll put it on time lapse, take all the screws out. Hopefully there won't be any damage to the fiberglass hood. That's my goal. So enjoy. Okay, all the screws are out. I'm gonna lift this up. And so far it looks good. I have to pull it out of there. So feels like a new house. Okay, guess where I thought it might be damaged is along the edges, but I'm not seeing any damage. So I'll go back to time lapse, get all the support pieces out of it and the rest of the bottom, and go from there. Okay, all those are out. I don't really see any problem yet. No cracks. Looks really nice. Sorry, I don't have a cameraman today. I was worried about the corners. They all look great. And it's like Grant even signed it upside down for me, but it really looks great. It's got the right profile on the edge of the hood, all the inner structure, which is fantastic. All this, all the way around. Beautiful, beautiful hood. Yeah, had a bug squished in there. It's upside down, but made in Texas by Janak Reproductions. There it is, Janak Repros. Superbird and Daytona. It's 149 pounds. So, great hood. Last one, like I say, got damaged. So, that'll be the end of this video. And get this thing mounted on the car there. I'm waiting to get the fenders, everything lined up with it. So, that'll be my next job. So, till next time, bye-bye.